Get it, Jojo. Where's that rock at? Where'd you go? Right there. Get it. Get that fucking thing. Get that fucking rock. You picked it up? No? Get it. Jojo, get it. Grr. Where's your rock? Look at this guy. He's so funny. Love it. Get it. Grr. Fuck that rock up. Uh-oh. Oh! He knocked it on the other side of the fence. That's funny. This is the best, cheapest toy known to man. It's called a rock. The JoJo Spit Rock. How much money do you pay for a rock? Nothing really, except maybe some dental work. Or toe work. I don't know, man. Dude, get that rock. Get it. Kill it. Kill that rock. Get it. Get the rock. Don't look at the neighbors. I think he's mad because he can't pick it up. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. He's so funny. Oh, look. Look at the boy. He's funny. He's mad. He can't get the rock. Cracks me up, man. Get it. Kill it. Bad rock. Bad rock. Get it. Kill that rock. Get it. It's a bad rock. Ah, that's funny. Okay, no more rock, no more rock, no more rock. You're gonna start digging up the freaking yard, dude. Jojo, where did that rock go? You're gonna do something. What did you do? Did you lose the rock? No, is that the rock? Wait. No, that's my rock. Give me my rock. Give me my rock. That's my rock. Give me my rock. Give me my rock. Where'd you go? Rock. Give me the rock. What's the matter, rock boy? Tell that rock what's up, dude. Wait, here, let me get it. My turn. My turn. I can pick it up. You can't. My rock. Gosh, man, he was gonna kill that yard, and then Pauline, the mom, she would have messed me up, man. Here he goes. See if he picks up the rock. You picked it up? You're a dork. Good boy. You probably want some water now, huh? Good boy. Look at his tongue's dirty. Jojo, come here. Good boy. Ah, man, you're thirsty, huh? Man, I'll go let you in. I'll let him in the house to drink. That's funny.